Number 14, solve the value of x. 1/5 plus 1/4 minus 1 over 20 equals 1 over x. So usually we can see this type of equation in pipe problem. So the positive are the inlet pipe, and then the negative is the outlet pipe. Okay, so let's solve the value of x. So in solving this type of equation, so this is called rational equation because there is variable in the denominator. So to solve this, we need to get rid of the denominator by multiplying the both sides of the equation by the LCD. Okay, so what is the LCD of 5, 4, and 20? So 5 times 4, that is 20. So therefore, the LCD is 20, and then we have x here, so 20x. So our first step will be multiply both sides or each term of this equation by 20x. Okay, so let's just copy and then multiply each term by 20x. Okay, so 1/4 plus we have negative 1 over 20. Okay, so negative 1 over 20 equals 1 over x. So let's multiply each term or both sides of the equation by the LCD. The LCD is 20x. Multiply all by 20x. Okay, so let's now multiply. So we have 20x times 1/5. So divide first. So 20 divided by 5, that is equal to 4. 4 times x times 1, we have 4x. And then plus 20 divided by 4, that is equal to 5. 5 times x times 1, so we have 5x. And then 20x divided by 20, so just cancel 20. So we have x times 1, so we have negative x equals 1 over x times 20x. Just cancel out the x. We have 1 times 20, we have 20. So combine this, 4x plus 5x, that is equal to 9x, and then subtract 9x minus 1x, that is equal to 8x equals 20. So divide both sides by 8. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 20 over 8. We can reduce this to mixed number or in decimal. So 20 divided by 8. So let's divide both by 4 first. Reduce to lowest term, 20 divided by 4, that is 5. 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. So therefore, in mixed number, this is 5 over 2 is equal to 2 and 1/2. Or in decimal, that is equal to 2.5. Okay, so follow for more.